So this isn't going to be a humble brag. I was just working on some copy, and I just realized, I'm pretty sure this is accurate, that my PLF Live, Product Launch Formula Live event is the longest running event in the entire online marketing, online entrepreneurship, online business building industry. I've been running it every year since 2010. One year I did it twice. So it's coming up in just very soon, depending on when you watch this, just a matter of weeks now from when I'm recording it. This will be our 15th PLF Live. We've had over 12,000 people go through this event. I used to do it in person, and we had these huge rooms, and then we had to pivot with the pandemic, and now it's virtual. So the awesome thing is you can attend from anywhere in the world. But as I was starting to think about this event, I don't think there is any other event in the industry that's been around for this long, which is pretty cool. And I kept going, and PLF, my Product Launch Formula training program, coaching program, that's been around since 2005 and continuously updated. So again, I don't think there's any other training that's been around for that long. So that's sort of cool. And it's because we get results. That's the best thing. So this is me bragging, I guess. But the cool thing is as I prepping for PLF Live, and it's 3 days of me being on stage, leading people through the work. It's a workshop. It's a roll up your sleeves, get the work done. The whole promise of the event, and I think we fulfill on it, is you come in with an idea, and 3 days later, you leave with your launch plan done. And that's why we have so many people coming, because it's pretty amazing experience to go through that. And of course, it's high energy, we have a lot of fun. And it's super cool, but I'm deep in the planning of it, and there's always room to get better. And so I've been going through all my debriefs from last year and the year before to see where can we up level it. And what I'm going to be doing this coming week is I'll actually go back and I'll watch the entire event, the recordings of the entire event from last year. So it's 3 full days. It's 3 very, very full days. So I'll sit there and I'll watch 3 days of event from last year, just so I can be super meticulous and say, where can I make this better? Because there's always room for improvement. So I guess that's, one of my messages here is, like, if you just go after mastery and go deep into your work, there's just no end to how you can get better. And I've done it 15 times. I've stepped on that stage, or this will be the 15th. So that's 14 times I've done it. That means it's 42 days, 42 full days I've spent on stage teaching PLF Live. It's like over a month of my life. In fact, after this one, it will be a month and a half of my life I've spent on stage at PLF Live, which is just absolutely ridiculous. But there is definitely, I'll find, when I go back through my debriefs from last year, and when I go back through those recordings, I will absolutely find ways to make it better. In fact, I know for sure that I want to start the event faster. I want to have that first session be more dialed in than it's ever been, so I get people working and get people results immediately, right away in that first day, just to get them that momentum that they can build on throughout the whole event. So yeah, that's my brag. The 15th coming up. I've done 14 of them, the longest running event in the industry. And I love it. I love, the stories that come out of it, the progress that people have made. It's absolutely ridiculous. PLF Live. If you're not on my email list, then you're not going to hear about it. So head over to jeffwalker.com, join my email list, and sometime in the next week or two, we'll be sending you an email about it. It's 3 full days. It's April 28th, 29th, and 30th. You can attend from anywhere you want in the world. It's going to be awesome. So yeah, if you want to get launched, whether you're just starting out and you're looking to make your first sale, or you're ready to step into your first 6-figure launch, then join me at PLF Live, and let's go get them this week.